Let's make some breakfast. Let's make it so I don't have to squat every time. Better. Okay. So I did a stuffed French toast a while back and I used a concha. This time I want to change a few things. First of all, we're going to try it in croissants. And these are minis, so I brought 2. They were getting kind of stale. Why not? Second of all, I am talking. Last time I didn't do the egg wash. I feel like you got to do like the egg milk dip thing, so we're going to do that this time. Let's do our wash. I saved the white from last night. I did accidentally drop the soy sauce packet in it, so there might be a slight soy tinge to it. And we gotta have our milk. Of course, you could do a whole egg. I was just being stingy with the eggs. A little vanilla would be nice. All right, I'm gonna save that for that. Next thing, assemble our French toast. Now, I have a theory that if we cook them inside out, we're gonna get a better crust because of all the holes. So I'm gonna do one of each. Science. So we're gonna have one this way, one this way. For our filling, we have goat cheese. You know, before I do the goat cheese, well, my knife is clean. Let's do the other filling. It's that time of year. Our peaches are ripe. Look at that beauty. So we're gonna do peach and goat cheese. Ho, ho, ho. Oh man. This one's mostly skin, so. Man, those are good. Let's try the right side out one. I think we can only fit 3. Pretty good. Side out one. Let's do that. Can you see what I'm doing? That's better. I guess I'll just have to eat the rest of this. Oh, like that. I don't know if this is going to hold together. Hot mess coming through. Like a stick of goat cheese. Needs no sweetener, more as adhesive. A little honey. Oh, okay, I see the first problem. This curvature. Why didn't I bring a serrated knife? All right. Oh, this is very slippery. Can we fit them both in at the same time? We're gonna try. But we need butter. Start with the easier one. Oh gosh. I should put gloves on. Whatever, we're going for it. Oh no. Okay, maybe it is going to be one at a time kind of deal. Oh god, there's milky egg stuff going everywhere. I'm having texture issues right now. This is gonna be a hot mess. That's what I should name these Pieiron recipes. Hot mess, the hot mess segment. Just for good measure. Ah, come on, get on there. Oh, they're squishing. There is squishing happening. Oh my. Are you squishing on that side? Yeah, a little bit. Got a little something right here. Some grass. It's fine. It'll burn off. Totally stuck. I'm gonna have to pry that off. Some sort of construction happening down by the creek. I think I saw a big, like, treehouse happening. I think that's what that is. Anyway, here we have it. I did have to whack it against the rocks a few times to get it to release, and maybe scrape the edges off a little bit, but I think we're gonna be all right. Yeah. Whoa! Hey, don't get over there. Pretty good. It's a little more done on this side than this side. Which one is which? This is the right side out, this is inside out. Could have been wrong, because the right side out is browner. Oh, coffee's about ready. Since we're gonna have fancy breakfast, might as well get out the decent coffee. Hi, Gunther. He knows when food is ready. Hello. Don't worry, you're gonna get some. So much better than instant. Okay. I have an itty bitty spatula. Do I have it with me? Don't know. Dollar Tree coming through again. Lord, these are heavy. FYI. Come on. Oh yeah. Need one more thing. A little powdered sugar. Let's tackle it from the gooey end. Yes. So this was inside out. Let's try right side out. Right side out, a little crispier. This is a little soggy. Right side out's where it's at. Both sides are delicious. I don't even think I showed the right side. So that's the side with the sugar. That's the cinnamon sugar. Oh, the other side's prettier. Mm.